Yes, indeed.
Hello there, peoples. It's the 6th of November 2018, and I'm just sort of reviewing some pre market stuff. I haven't been trading that much the last few days. I've been a little bit sicky. Still a little bit sicky, but I think today's my turnaround day, and I'm feeling better a little bit. So, the weed stocks had a big day yesterday, moving up quite a bit. I think weed traded up like 6%. And pre-market, they're moving up even more. You can see weed stock is pre-market up $1. Aurora is pre-market up about a quarter. But what I notice here, Cron is up 30 some odd cents. Is this guy is interesting, which is only up about 2 cents on pre-market. So I think I might try a little limit order. Put it in now because of the main weed stocks. This guy seems to be lagging behind the other ones, so it might be an opportunity to get in and get out with some early morning profit. So that's what I'm looking at now, just thinking about it. Maybe put a limit in at the close yesterday, 940, 941. Just keep my eye on these guys. Ensure that they're not dipping down before the market opens. And at maybe 925, 926, I'll consider putting a limit order here. I'm also looking to have a US account that I very selectively trade. And I bought and sold Tesla in October as my only move. I bought it at like 300 or so. So here is a 3 month on Tesla. So I bought it in here actually, which is funny. I had to write it all the way down to 250. It was one of those stocks where I had plans on just keeping it potentially for 6 months to a year if necessary. But I bought it, I think, 305, 306, and I sold it maybe 4 or 5 days ago. I think 345 was what I sold it at. See if I can pull it up exactly. So, bought it at 306, sold it at 344.39. But I'm considering IBM sort of long term. Let me try and pull it up. You can see this is a 3 month, and it had a big sell-off from like 160 down to 115 it touched, and it feels like it's finally sort of moving back. I think long term, obviously IBM's a big company, and I want to look at their dividends because it might be something I stay in for a long time, but I might jump in and see if I can 155 to 115 is sort of the move here. So about $40 downswing, and obviously volume picking up significantly here. So that's what I'm considering today. So I'll let you know as we go through the day. All right, it's 9:23. There's been a little bit of a pullback, about 5-6 cents on weed. This 4 or 5 cents. So in the pre-market, these have gone. This was like 11.10, 11.11. It's now 11.04. So what I decided to do was put a limit purchase. I don't know. It ran away. 936 is where I'm looking to get in. So it's 942 now. So hopefully in this movement, and then we'll sort of go from there. I think 936, and we'll try and bounce in there and maybe get out underneath 950, somewhere in there, or just see how the market moves early in the morning and hopefully make a few cents in the morning, and then we can run away. That's my plan anyway. I also put a just a market purchase of IBM. Pretty comfortable with that. Just ride it for a few months on the US account and see how that goes. All right, we're 1 minute from market open. There's been a lot of movement. You can see weed has bounced. It was as low as back to break even from the close yesterday. So about $1 movement after market. And this is back to even ACB. So back to even here again and up a few cents. But we have a limit order. I moved it down to 937 right here. And the market's going to open in a minute. So we will see if we fill in 15 seconds. And we'll go from there. Okay, market's open. So far, weed opened up a percent. Everything else opened up at least, except for this one we're sitting at. Okay, so we drop down. We're sitting at our fill amount. Okay, we filled at 937 officially. Definitely selling off this morning. I just submitted a limit sell at 950 right here. I filled 3,400 at 950. The problem with this stock, okay, I filled. That's good. The problem with this stock that I sort of realized post was to put a stop limit would have been really, really tricky because there's so little volume penny to penny. So for example, you see like 200, 100, 2200, 500, 300, 400. So if it did trigger my stop loss, let's say I had a stop loss at 950, I had 10,000 shares. So we're talking, it would have filled all the way down from 950 all the way down to probably 930 before it filled everything. So I was very concerned about a stop loss losing an extra 10 cents or 15 cents or more. But anyway, so that took about 23 minutes. I filled at 950. I got in at 937, so that should be 13 cents. 10,000 shares, $1,300 profit, which I'm ecstatic about, and that'll be my day today. I got other stuff to do this afternoon, so I'm just gonna leave it at that, and we'll see. We'll see. It looks like everybody's up now, which is cool. Another potentially a winning day for the weed stocks. Anyway, that's all I got. So I hope you enjoyed watching, and I will see you.
Yes, indeed.